whatever time you're watching the following video. I'm the Meister Rodi, and today we're gonna cover the topic distributive property. That distributive property says that multiplying the sum of two or more addends will give the same result as multiplying each addend individually by the number and then adding the products together. This sounds complicated, but it's quite simple. Let me show you in number one. So we know that this could be 3 times 9, which is 27. Because 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 times 3 equals 27, right? But that distributive property says that multiplying the sum of two or more addends, blah, 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 is going to be this. 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. And if we solve this, the product is going to be 12 plus 15, which equals 27. And this is the same to this. Therefore, the distributive property is real. Perhaps you may be asking yourself, why should I do this when I can just apply this directly? Yeah, but remember that we are in arithmetic. Our purpose is to learn and then try to solve algebra and calculus, right? So for example, imagine that we're in algebra and we have A that multiplies B plus C. What are you going to do here? You cannot just add these two numbers because you don't know their value and then multiply. You have to apply distributive property. The answer would be AB plus AC. And that way, I already eliminated the parentheses applying distributive property. Anyway, I will eventually teach you how to solve this. Now, let's try to solve problem number 2. We have 5 that multiplies 10 plus 2 plus 3, plus 1. This is 5 that multiplies 13. But we could also say that 5 multiplies 10 plus 5 times 2 plus 5 times 1. And the answer to this is 50 plus 10 plus 5, which is 65. And this is the same as this, 65. Therefore, the distributive property is correct. Now, in this one, to apply these in fractions is 4 times 1 over 2 that multiplies 4 times 3 over 5. And this equals to 4 over 2 plus 12 over 5. Why? Remember that this is a multiplication of fractions, therefore we have to multiply numerator times denominator and denominator times denominator. Therefore this is the answer. Well, this can be simplified and this would be 2 plus 12 over 5. And this is the same answer as adding these two and then multiplying. This is how you apply the distributive property. It's quite simple. You just have to multiply the number for every single addend inside a parenthesis, and then you will get an extended form, but you will get the same result. And this tool is going to be very useful in algebra and calculus. And you perhaps may be asking yourself, if I have a 5, and a 5 here, for example, that means I have a common factor, right? Well, that's the next property that we are going to learn in this channel. Remember, the problem is not your capacity. It's assuming that you cannot achieve it. See you in the next video.
you.